Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to download a video from Twitter. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Twitter application on your Android and iOS. Then let's suppose that if I wanted to download this video here, I will just open up this video here, and then you need to tap on this share option, and then you need to copy the link of that specific video. So just copy the link here, and then you will open up your Google Chrome, and you will type here Twitter video downloader, and you will open up the first link from here, and then you will basically paste the link here. Okay, so you will paste that copied link here, and then you will click on download here. Okay, and now we have this video. So now in order to download this video, we have this video available in multiple formats here. So I will just click on this one, download video, and then I will continue with Chrome here, and then I will tap on these three dots and tap on download here, and again tap on download, and now this video is downloaded in my phone's gallery. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.